Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the uncut version of my messy room. Okay, I'm not going to clean anything, I'm just going to show as it is. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start from here. As you can see, this is the new table we have purchased from I think from Carousel for 100 bucks. This I'm just keeping this place, reserving this place for my sister-in-law and my daughter. They use the space and they keep their computer and their books. This table is not a very steady table. They just need to keep very lightweight items, right? And if you go, you can see here, I'm just keeping the bookshelf, the messy bookshelf, where I'm having some of the camera accessories. Again, I'm telling again, you guys, this is totally uncut and messy. Why I'm sharing it is a motivation for me. I want to take this as an inspiration to clean this messy room. So this is the shelf where a lot of messy stuffs are there. And as you can see, this is my um, favorite Bose speaker, monitor speaker. This is a not powered one. I bought it from US a couple of years back. Yeah, and then on top there are some religious books. Okay, so moving on. So this is a bed. Honestly, guys, I don't like the concept of keeping putting the bed in the study room. Do you sleep in the kitchen? No, right? Do you pray in the bathroom? No. Then of course I don't like the idea of putting bed in the study room, but there's no choice. We are short of space, so that's why we are putting the bed here, and my daughter and my sister-in-law will sleep occasionally. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so I have a Korg PA600 keyboard. So this is my one of the childhood dreams I killed, guys. So, but I still keep it here whenever I want to play some short, small music, play chords. I practice that. So for me, it's a lucky charm. I want to be this always there wherever I go. So it's something I'm getting used to. It. Whether I'm playing or not is a different altogether is a different story. Okay, now come to the main part of the messy stuff. See, there is a small corner in this room, one of which is a lot of books. So one of my favorite hobby is book reading. I collect as much as books I can, and whenever I'm free or I don't read, take one book and just finish it off. But I just refer whenever there is something strikes in my mind. I just pick one book and read it, take some notes, post it in Facebook. So that's how I do. Um, Whenever I'm giving up speeches in a Toastmaster or some other forum, so I just pick the books from here. And so let me turn the camera on. Okay, sorry guys, I got some call, so that's why I got an interruption. Okay, so moving on to the messy desk continuation. As you can see here, I have a Mac Pro. This is my office computer, and I do have a personal computer. Due to lack of space, I'm not keeping everything here. Okay, so this is my MacBook, and on the corner some more messy stuffs. I have Amazon. I bought it from US and still sleeping here. And I have a clock, and I have this. So I need to share with you guys. I have this. I have the addiction for this kind of ointment. I don't know how do you call what is the right term to call in English? It's some oil, herbal oil. In Tamil we call it as thailam. So I have a habit of smelling in the night time, So whenever I feel something, so my nose is itchy, I used to smell this. Okay, and I have some of the books I'm currently reading or tempted to read, but might not started. So I'm keeping it here, my mouse, and there is a small bookshelf speaker here, and there is a Logitech. Again, there is a lot of a lot of stuffs, messy stuffs again here. So I'm just temporarily putting my webcam there. So I bought it. I bought it from my company Applause Awards. It's kind of redeemed from there. So then I have a monitor and again some more oils, Quran. So I'm just currently on a mission to complete the Quran by this Ramadan. Okay, so I have a, what is this? I have a Focusrite amplifier. So this I purchased it to record some nice music from the keyboard or voice. And looking into here, you see a lot of messy stuffs here. So again, why I'm showing here? So in the next video, I'm going to share all these messy stuffs. I want to remove it, remove the clutter from the room. So these are my book collections. Again, there are some candle holders, right? Some ointments, attar. There is a 360-degree camera. Flute. I need to talk about this flute, okay? And I started learning this flute from my very childhood, but I didn't get a chance to master this piece, and still it's in my mind hanging somewhere. That's why I don't want to give up this hobby. So time to time I practice this. Maybe one of the video I will share my flute performance. Not a very professional, but I can just play a little bit. Okay. So this is my messy room, and there is a board here. Again, so my daughter dominates this, and she puts some sticky stuffs here. Okay, that's all. And last but not least, some more messy stuffs under the table. There's a printer, there's a camera with dry box, there's an amplifier. That's all, guys. Hope to share with you in the next video the improved or enhanced version of my messy room. Stay tuned. Okay, that's all, guys. So I just shared my messy room with you all. Next time when I share with you all, I want to show the improved or enhanced version of this room. Okay? See you. Bye-bye. Next video.